Hello friends, today we will learn about how to write any numerical number in a Roman numerals. So for learning numerals in Romans, you don't have to learn too much things, you just need to remember few digits. So I'm just writing a paper and I will show you. So you have to learn how to represent 1, digit 2, digit 3, digit 5, digit 10, digit 50, digit 100 and digit 500 and digit 1000. So we represent 1 by a single I, 2 by a double I, 3 is basically triple I, 5 we represent by V, 10 we represent by X, 50 we represent by L, 100 we represent by C, and 500 we represent by D, and 1000 we represent by M. So yeah, here it is, if you are able to see correctly. Okay, so now this is the basics you need to learn, and post that if you want to construct any digit, so take example of 4, how you will represent 4. So as you know that we represent 5 by V and 1 is basically represented by single I, and 4 is basically 5 minus 1. So we put V, and at the left side we will put 1I, which presents like this. This is how we represent 4. On similar lines, if we have to represent 6, we can have 5 plus 1. So V and I at the right side. See this. This is 6. So that means if you want to subtract, you have to put at the left side, and if you want to add, you have to put it the right side. On similar example, say take example of how you will represent 13. So 13 we know it's 10 plus 3. So how you will represent X is 10 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 13. Yeah. Hope you got it. So take another example, some difficult one. Say we want to represent at 79. How you will represent 79? So we have to refactor the 79 as sum or subtraction of the known Roman numerals. So as we know, 79 is basically 50 plus 20 plus 9, or you can say 50 plus 30 minus 1. So easier one is obviously 50 plus 30 minus 1. So we will represent 50 L, then 30, which is X, X, X. See this. So you have seen L, X, X, X. That means it's 50 plus 30, which is 80, and minus 1. So you will have I at the beginning. So this is how you will represent 79. Hope this helps you, and you can construct any number. Before signing off, I will give you one more example. Say the number is some more difficult, say 662. Okay, 662 you have to represent in Roman numerals. So how you will represent 662? So the nearest Roman numeral you know is 500 is D. So you will write D, which is 500, and then 600 you have to make. So you will have D and then C, which is 100. So you now have 600, and now you have to represent 62, which is 50 plus 10 plus 2. So 50 is L and 10 is X and then 2. So it's DCLX2. Thank you.